Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify account's profile picture. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you'll never miss another update from us. To change your Spotify account's profile picture, first, make sure you have the application installed on your device. Once you do, tap it open and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're signed in, and on your home screen, tap on the Settings button at the upper right corner, and from this page tap on View Profile. Now tap on Edit Profile from your profile page, tap on Change Photo and you can choose a photo from your gallery. Take a photo or remove the current photo if available. Let me tap on Choose Photo, and select one of my pictures from the gallery. Allow Spotify to access photo media and files on your device by tapping on Allow. Now select a picture from your camera roll. Once you do that, tap on Use Photo, and once you're happy with your picture, tap on the Save button at the upper right. Wait for a few seconds and there you go. That is how you can change your Spotify account's profile picture. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.